Okay, let's get started here. We're going to go over an old-fashioned VCR surveillance system. That's what I'm going to start out with because it's necessary to do this to give you an idea of just basically how a surveillance system works. You start off with a camera, and that camera of course requires power, and once it's powered up it's going to provide an image of the object that it's looking at, and it's going to translate that into a video signal, an electrical signal. And you plug this into the input of your VCR, and you can observe what's going on a monitor, and the VCR will